Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add blog posts to Weebly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Weebly, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a blog post to your Weebly website is a straightforward process that could give you several advantages that could enhance your site's functionality and effectiveness, because regularly updating your site with blog posts keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return to your site for fresh content. Now, once you're here, just click on the publish, and you need to select the domain that you would want it here to the Weebly. After that, now once you have successfully published your blog here on the Weebly website, I need you to hover to the settings and go to the blog, because you might want to check the settings for your blog to make it more effective, right? So you can post per page like 1 until the maximum is 25, and you can slide in the post share buttons here. You can simply customize if you wanted and select which share buttons you want to display with your blog posts. It could be Facebook or Twitter. All right. You can also choose the blog sidebar, and themes may override this setting. You can also choose add a custom HTML here to display at the top of your post, and you can also use a post footer code. All right. And of course, you can control how people will comment on your post. You have an option to default or Facebook, or the comment default as closed, require approval, and a lot more. All right. And once you're happy with that, just click on save. You will be able to publish your blog post to Weebly. It's a very straightforward process, because blog posts are shareable content that can be promoted across social media platforms, helping you to increase your reach and visibility. After that, go to the general section. This is the section that you would be able to check if your blog has been reaching out or getting traction, because you need to link to other relevant blog posts or pages on your site so you can improve the navigation and keep your visitors on your site longer. If applicable, your blog can be used to promote products, services, or affiliate links, potentially giving you enough revenue or passive income. And again, adding blog posts to your Weebly website helps to maintain a dynamic and engaging site that attracts visitors, supporting your marketing efforts, and establishes your online presence. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.